Igbo. What he's trying to say here is the Yorubas and their great grandfather about Macaulay and all these people that he mentioned here are, they are educated, they are achievers, they acquire this, they acquire that, they are civilized and all that. Nobody is saying that Yoruba people have not achieved anything. That is not the issue.
The issue is that he don't even understand what is going on. He don't care to talk about the problem at hand, which is a Fulani government and Fulani herdsmen pushing their people down to southwest, pushing their people down to Yoruba land, taking the land in hostage. This is Yoruba people reacting and complaining about the invasion of Fulani in their homeland, sacking villagers, pushing them away. Now, I would like you to understand that the issue Yoruba are having now is not caused by Igbos. Actually, it's being caused by Fulani.